First, we identify consumers' needs, like what kinds of photos they want to take. Then we set the lens specifications to satisfy those needs. We make a final decision after figuring out how the specifications can be matched to our cameras. We use a variety of marketing data. We directly survey consumers or even interview them personally. We study consumers' needs and what kind of lenses they want. Then we integrate our findings into our technology set and plan for and develop lenses that most closely match our market research. We use the internet extensively and also check the responses ourselves. We also have marketing data compiled in Korea and throughout the world by our market researchers. We also work with consumer focus groups, conduct qualitative and quantitative surveys to identify consumers' diverse needs and demands. We segment the market per need. A consumer type emerges for each of the segments. We survey consumers' preferences in each segment, group the results, and then decide the specifications for each of the lenses. The first thing was how to make taking pictures easier. As a whole, as far as lenses go, there's not been a change made so far. I sense that, when it comes to lenses, we have all been too passive. Couldn't there be a way to improve the body of the lens? Maybe I could add a button to the lens and go for a change that way. Maybe I could set a certain mode for optimal photography using the lens. These ideas led to the combination of our iFunctions button and ring, as you see now. I believe going compact system camera is one of the directions of technological evolution. In the end, the ultimate cameras will have to be compact system cameras. So although some say that this is a niche in the large and established DSLR market, I believe it will continue to grow, and ultimately this is the direction we should move in. So I believe the compact system camera segment will grow into a much bigger market and possibly replace the SLR configuration. Our compact system camera is an innovative camera. It combines only the strengths of the DSLR designs with the advantages of compact cameras. Rather than the heavy DSLR that's difficult to carry around, I think consumers will be more and more drawn to the compact system camera configuration going forward. This year, there's a trend of macro photography for specific uses. Also, video filming is very popular. So we're working on a variety of lenses for diverse uses, such as a lens for video filming and a lens suitable for portraits. From next year, I believe there will be an increased demand for upgraded functions, for brighter photos. For these needs, we're thinking of a premium lens, a brighter lens, or a wide-angle lens. There's an expression, from the cradle to the grave. The role of a product manager is to manage the entire process of a product spanning from its birth to development, to marketing and to eventual discontinuation of production. Cameras are indeed interesting products. They're not completely digitized like a TV or a mobile phone. They have both digital and analog attributes. Also, a camera, although it certainly has mechanical attributes, also possesses a special emotional aspect. Rather than the cold feeling of electronics, a camera somehow possesses a certain warmth. I think this is because cameras have the ability to connect people by delivering personal stories through the photos they produce, or they simply inspire with the images they can create. I think about the values and the benefits a new lens will bring to users. Through this process, I come up with ideas about lens shapes and configurations in my head. Unlike how it appears on the outside, the internal structure of a lens is quite intricate. A lens is actually a complex system. Optical design takes place first, followed by exterior design when creating a new lens. A lens is actually a complex super-precision system, and design is always constrained by issues of size and certain laws of physics, so there are inherent limitations design-wise. It's important to create a certain image group for lenses too. So overall, I think it's important to create for Samsung's lens a reputation of integration, as well as precision, reliability, and smoothness of operation. A representative example is the Blue Ring. The blue of Blue Ring, as a representative image of Samsung's lenses, has now become a kind of an identity. People's attitude towards creativity has changed a lot. So the divisions we work with listen attentively to designers' opinions and provide us with positive input. So I don't think that there are problems with tuning into their opinions or working with them. When using a camera yourself, you often experience inconveniences and come to think about what needs to be improved and so on. Every one of these things becomes incorporated into your design. I'd like you to take out your camera and try taking photos as much as possible.